Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I wanted to show you all the different kinds of modes and different types of lights on this LED strobe light. So you long press it to start it, and you have this blinking one, and you press it once more. It will give you a constant. Basically, to change it, you just press the button every time. Personally, this is the one that I use because it has a hint of red and white as well. And a long press it, you put it off. So this thing uses a micro USB, as you can see over here. I'm going to plug it in and show you how it looks. So guys, this is what it looks like when it's charging. It gives you this red blinker, and when it goes off, you can remove it off the charging. That means it's fully charged. Battery life is advertised as 4 hours, but I've got only about 2.5 hours of battery life from this. Yes, you all can check out the full video. Link will be in the description.